This video is going to give you a quick overview of NC-Simul's tool length optimization feature. The first step is to verify the simulation process in the same fashion as always to ensure that the program part is being machined properly from the get-go. Only then is it time to improve the existing setup of the project. From the Program tab at the top of the window, locate and launch the Tool Length Optimization module. In the first field, set a clearance value to keep all the length optimizations outside a certain safety window. Using the settings icon, the precision of the material removal can be set based on how tight the approaches to the stock and fixturing are anticipated on being. All that must be done is to hit the optimization button, and NC-Simul will find the smallest possible stick-out length to clear any collision, plus the clearance value for extra safety purposes. The information window will then contain a table declaring the current tool stick-out length and the new optimized one. Now, enter the tool library and update the length under holder value for any desired tool. The tool model will dynamically update and the simulation is ready to run with the new optimized tool. Using this feature throughout the program can decrease tool chatter, deflection, and vibration, as well as provide better surface finishes and tool life. This is all done while ensuring that there are no crashes with anything in the machining environment. Additionally, NC-Simul can output a new tool list with all of the updated dimensions to make it easier for the tool crib attendant or machinist to verify and set up the tool magazine for the job.